Welcome back to video 4 of installing our TadiBrothers digital wireless Rearview system. If you haven't had the chance to see the first 3 videos, I will link them right here. Be sure to check them out first and come right back to this video. In today's video, we're going to be going over all of the system's features and capabilities, doing a deep dive and really seeing what this thing can do. Let's get into it. So I'll be going over all of the features this system has to offer and touch on a couple things I've yet to mention. I'm going to unhook this, that way I can hold it, show you up close and personal, everything that I'm going over. So as you can see, we have both the side cameras connected, and then if I were to put in reverse, that's when the backup camera would come on. As I mentioned in the previous videos, if you so choose to, you could hook your backup camera up to a running power source, and then as you change through the monitor display options, you could always be able to see behind you with the backup camera. And that would be right here. You'll see it's a grid of 1, 2, 3, 4. As you click that, that's when you run through and have your different formatted camera options. Camera 1, there's camera 2, and what I'll do is always have them side by side. These cameras in display, it's 1080p, which is really good quality for a backup camera system. Makes it a lot easier, a lot more convenient. Won't be a guessing game on what that object is, how close, how far it is. And don't worry, even though mine's installed on a short bus, this system has a 300-foot range, so no matter if you have an 18-wheeler, big trailer, small trailer, camper, RV, you'll be good to go. No stress. And because it's wireless, you won't have to worry about running cables all the way to the back, to the front, and in between everything. Just find yourself the power source, connect that, and pair it. This specific system that I'm going over is the SKU 68256 version 3. So I'll be sure to link this product as well as many others down in the comments, as well as description of this video. Shop around, see what fits your needs best. Don't let the bus fool you. I love this product so much because I can confidently say, if I can install this, so can you. I had little or no idea what I was doing. Just followed the steps. Really easy guide, really simple setup, and you're good to go. Show you something else pretty cool. Then if you click this button, it shows you the distance grid. Easier for backing up. So you can put this on while you're in reverse. That way you can see an easier visual on the distance you have from the objects behind you. If you don't like that, simply click that and turn it right back off. These cameras also have mics on them so you can hear what's outside. If you want to mute it, you just hit the speaker button to mute it. Click it again, turn it back on. That way you can hear everything that's going on outside around your vehicle. You could hit menu, go over to picture, you can mess with brightness, contrast, hue, and volume for the cameras. Adjust it to your likeness. Hit menu again. Okay. And then you could flip the cameras. Maybe if you hooked it up and it wasn't facing the right way, easy to flip. No stress. You won't have to reinstall the cameras or do anything like that. You would just go to menu and mirror flip. Hit over again. More options. This just lays out all the different options for you. Cameras 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4, so on and so forth. Giving you 14 different layouts on the monitor. Menu. Camera setup. That's just going over camera 1. You can turn it on and off. Auto scan, scan time. Just a lot of different flexible options. It's a very customizable system. Over the system, we can do an auto dim, a time dim, different languages over here, a delay time. Very, very, very customizable system. And here's the record format, record time, 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, rewrite. This way you can save anything that goes on. And how you're gonna do that is right here. So right here, it's just one little screw. We're gonna take this off. I'm gonna show you how to put the SD card in. So that's why I got a small screwdriver. Just one screw right there. Lefty loosey. And this is what it will look like. And take your SD card and slide it right in. You'll hear a click. Once you hear the click, it's in. Take it out. You just push it in again. And then it slides right out. And just to be extra safe, as you slide it in, take a look at the top right of your screen. Once you press it in and you hear that click, you'll have a little SD icon in the top right corner letting you know that you're good to record. Take your little cover, quick screw. You're good to go. Here it is, set up right here in all of its glory. TadiBrothers SKU 68256 version 3. I will link all of TadiBrothers products down in the description as well as the comments. Please check them out. Great company, great products, great service. So do yourself a favor, click them links, shop around. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me or reach out to TadiBrothers themselves. Either or, be happy to send you in the right direction. Make sure you get what you're looking for. So that wraps up installing our TadiBrothers digital wireless rear view system. Hope you learned something. Hope you enjoyed watching, learning together as we went. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for what's next. Have yourself a good day.